Good morning students. Today I'll discuss some problems on Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. It is calculated by using formula sigma dx into dy upon under root sigma dx square into sigma dy square. Here dx is equals to x minus x bar and dy is equals to y minus y bar. X bar is arithmetic mean of x variable and y bar is arithmetic mean of y variable. Let's solve a problem on Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Here marks of 7 students in botany and zoology are given and you have to calculate correlation coefficient between x and y. Here x is marks obtained by students in botany and y variable is marks obtained by students in zoology. So first calculate the arithmetic mean of marks obtained by student in botany or x variable. So x bar or arithmetic mean of x variable is sum of all observations upon total number of observations. So x bar is equals to 64 plus 65 plus 66 plus 67 plus 68 plus 69 plus 70 upon n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of observations are 7. So value of n is 7. So by adding all these observations or marks obtained by a student in botany, x bar is equals to 469 upon 7. So by solving this, x bar is equals to 67. Now find out arithmetic mean of y variable. So y bar is equals to 66 plus 67 plus 68 plus 69 plus 70 plus 71 plus 72 upon n. N is total number of observation and the value of n is 7. So by adding all the observations, y bar is equals to 483 upon 7. Y bar is equals to 69. So x bar is 67 and y bar is 69. Now write down the value of x in the first column. Now find out dx by x minus x bar. Here x bar is 67. So 64 minus 67 is minus 3. 65 minus 67 is minus 2. 66 minus 67 is minus 1. 67 minus 67 is 0. 68 minus 67 is 1, 69 minus 67 is 2, 70 minus 67 is 3. Now find out dx square. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 3 is 9. Now find out sigma dx square by adding all the values of dx square. So 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 28. So sigma dx square is 28. Now write down the values of y in this column. Now find out dy by y minus y bar and y bar is 69. So 66 minus 69 is minus 3, 67 minus 69 is minus 2, 68 minus 69 is minus 1, 69 minus 69 is 0, 70 minus 69 is 1, 71 minus 69 is 2 and 72 minus 69 is 3. Now find out dy square. So minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. Now find out sigma dy square by adding all the values of dy square. So 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 28. So sigma dy square is equals to 28. Now find out dx into dy by multiplying dx and dy. So minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. Now find out dx. Sigma dx dy by adding all the values of dx dy. So 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 28. So sigma dx square is 28, sigma dy square is 28 and sigma dx dy is 28. Now put all these value in the formula. R is equals to sigma dx dy upon under root sigma dx square into sigma dy square. R is equals to sigma dx dy is 28 upon under root sigma dx square is 28 into sigma dy square is 28. So R is equals to, solve this equation, R is equals to 28 upon 28. So the value of R is 1.